Hello guys, this is Olushola David and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from your Stripe account to your local bank account. So in my previous video, I talked about how you can easily set up your own personal Stripe account that you can use to process payment from your customer or receive payment on your website and have it withdrawn directly to your local bank account. So if you don't have your own personal Stripe account already, or if Stripe is not supported in your country and you would like to create your own personal Stripe account, I'm going to add a link to the video somewhere around here, so just watch the video and see how you can set up your own personal Stripe account. So once you've created your Stripe account, now the next thing you want to do is create your own US bank account that you are going to link to your Stripe account. Now whenever Stripe is sending out payout, now the payout they are sending is going to be sent to the US bank account you add to your Stripe account. So in order for you to do this, what you want to do is just go over to Payoneer, create an account with Payoneer. Now once you've created an account with Payoneer, come over to get paid here. So once you click on get paid, you're going to see the option of receiving account. So click on receiving account, and when you click on receiving account, you're going to gain access to the bank account you have inside your Payoneer account. So this is my UK account, and as you can see, I have a USA account here. So just click on view details. So when you click on view details, it's going to bring out your bank account it's going to bring out your bank details. Now this bank details is what you're going to copy, then come back to Stripe, then add it to your Stripe account. So Stripe is going to be able to process your payout to this account. So for you to add it, I already added my own US bank account to my Stripe account, but in order for you to add it, all you simply need to do is just come over to balances here, or come to settings here. So just click on settings. When you click on settings, scroll down here, then click on external payout account. So click on external payout account. You can see the option where you can easily add your own US bank account. So I've added my own. So this is my own bank account details. So in order for you to add your own, just edit this. So once you edit this, you'll be able to add your own banking details. So once you've added that, your payout will be sent to your US bank account. So once the money reach your Payoneer account, what you want to do is you want to connect your own local bank account. So just click on banks and card here. So once you click on banks and card, you'll be able to see the bank account for withdrawal. So if you click on bank account for withdrawal, you'll be able to add your own local bank account that you'll be able to withdraw money that enter your Payoneer to your local bank account. So this is how you can easily set up your Stripe account, then link it to any US bank account you have. It can be Payoneer, it can be Wise, then receive money from your Stripe account to your US bank account and have it withdrawn to your local bank account. All right, so this is basically how you can do it. So if you are yet to create your Stripe account, like I said, I'm going to add a link to the video somewhere around here, so just watch the video and see how you can set up your own personal Stripe account. All right, so this is basically how to do it. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.